Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and quick. So if you've seen how to sync Samsung Notes to OneNote the correct way, I want to thank you so much for loving this video, putting this video in the algorithm for one, two. Um, so we found out that the feed button went away, and I just dropped another video about that. But now we found out a way to put Samsung Notes actually on a non-computer, and it's actually been discovered. And one of the techies helped me, Agent Peter Heater 5324. Yo, you're legendary for sure. He went ahead and installing the Samsung account, right, and then signing into it and installing the Samsung Notes, and all your notes show up just like OneNote does. So definitely give it a shot. I'm gonna put both links in the description below. Make sure you install Samsung Notes. You go ahead and you sign into it, bam, and then after that you download Samsung Notes, you sign in, and then you have it. You know what I'm saying? Here we go, Samsung Notes right here, boom. We got it in there, we're signed in, and we're able to use Samsung Notes on your non-Samsung computer. Just make sure you sign in a Samsung account first, then Samsung Notes. That is how we're going to bypass this, since OneNote wants to get destroyed all of a sudden. So we are back in it. I appreciate y'all. Let's get it, let's go, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Share it around. All right, let's get it.